ay ang mga batas sa buhay. Mga batas na may kinalaman po sa karera, sa buhay, sa pag-ibig. Umpisahan natin sa batas sa pagiging kabogera. In a good way. Okay? Ano ba ang aming iisipin pag gusto mong maging kabogera? Ano ang batas?
Ang number one rule dyan is prepare for it.
You do prepare for it?
Yes, like when I was at the Cannes Film Festival
2016.
red carpet in 2016, naka-juice cleanse ako for 2 weeks. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, para you
Pagkatapos?
look stunning. Yeah. And then the second rule, it's because I believe na the spirit has a lot to do with your aura. Everyone's beautiful, no? Pag nasa Cannes Film Festival ka, lahat yan, mga sikat, magaganda, they're all dressed to kill. But what makes the difference is you have to make sure your aura shines. So batas number 2 is focus on your spiritual self, not just the physical, not just the makeup, not just the clothes, you know.
Okay.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's the aura. And number 3 rule ko is, make sure your smile is real. Hindi yung smile na talagang nakasmile nga yung lips mo, tapos yung mata mo hindi naman nakangiti. It has to be a total smile.
Tingnan natin itong litratong ito. Do we have this there? Tingnan mo naman. di ba?
Ini-scrutinize talaga.
The cast, di ba? And the creative staff of Marosa. Naalala ko ito.
Yeah.
Pero tingnan mo naman si Isabel. Oh. Pati yung pose, did you practice it? Did you know how to pose with a gown?
No, I'm a model. Alam mo naman,
Correct.
sexy model ako nung araw.
Correct.
Hindi naman ako high fashion model.
No,
Yeah.
but kakaiba din.
Yeah.
Kakaiba
Pero
din.
if you notice, merong gap, no? That's rule number 4. Don't let anybody step on your train.
Ang ganda. May gap dito, di ba?
Yes.
Na para bagang this is my space.
Yes. Kind of offensive to the rest of the cast. I'm sorry about that.
That's
Pero
the business.
that's the way it is.
Iwanan natin ang pagiging kabogera. Batas naman pagdating sa pagiging matapang. Talk about it.
Batas na yon. Batas na yon for me, maging matapang. Kasi when you're young, parang you don't have that much voice. I grew up in a family na, you know, separated ng parents. Tapos every time that you need to something for your school, you need to buy something, laging naka-budget yan. You have to fight for it.
Pero may mga laban ka bang pinagdaanan na natalo ka, na umiyak ka, na umatras ka, tumakbo ka, palayo?
Kuya Boy, I will not be a success kung hindi ako naging failure. Yeah. Isabel Lopez is a product of so many failures in her life. That's why naging ganito.
The biggest failure that you went through?
Well, too many failures to mention.
Ang dami, no?
Yes.
Oo.
Yeah.
Puntahan natin ang mga batas pagdating naman sa mga lalaki.
Marami-raming batas yan. Baka kulang ang 20 minutes natin.
Okay. Punta lamang tayo sa ilan sa mga batas pagdating sa men.
Okay. Number 1 rule is, unstable na nga ang artista, huwag ka nang kumuha ng isa pang unstable.
Okay, so ang sinasabi mo, hindi ka kukuha ng partner, hindi ka magpapaligan ng kapwa-artista.
Yes.
You never had a boyfriend, artista?
No.
Okay.
No.
So yun, deliberate pala yun. Sadya yun.
Yes. Don't get your equal.
Who should you get?
Get somebody who's more experienced, who's more empowered, who's more intelligent.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Always somebody bigger and better than you. I'm a dreamer, Kuya Boy.
Ang mga boyfriends mo ay labas ng negosyong ito.
Para maiba ang perspective.
That's true.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tapos isa
Can
pa,
you name some
isa pa sa
boyfriends?
isa pa yan sa
Sabi
mga
ko, can you name
rule
some
na yan,
boyfriends?
no?
Okay.
Pa-follow up natin sa rule na yan. Since you're not gonna get somebody you're equal, ganun din sa pera. Kung halimbawa, ang net worth ko is say 1 million, wag ka nang kumuha ng 1 million din ng net worth.
Dapat mas mataas.
Yes, dapat mas
Okay.
mataas.
Alright.
Yeah.
And pag nililigawan ka noon, do you actually talk about money?
No, you don't talk about money.
You have a way of knowing
Yeah.
kung magkano
It's
ang
a deal
net worth.
breaker kasi if you talk about money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Basta I know I'm a hardworking girl and I make my own money. I'm very independent. Ganon.
At mapapansin mo naman kung mas may kaya siya o hindi sa'yo.
Yeah, although
That's a
maraming fake di ba? Maraming may fake news.
Okay, so that's
Yeah.
rule number 1. Medyo may dagdag.
Rule number 3.
Do you have the freedom today to name some of those boyfriends? Wala pa.
Hindi ko siya pwedeng banggitin kasi
Oo nga eh.
medyo buhay pa sila.
Okay.
Maraming may iskandalo.
Oo. At saka hindi
Hintayin
rin...
natin matigok sila. Pag natigok sila, baka pwede nang banggitin.
Okay. At saka hindi rin masyadong polite. I just thought about it. Okay.
Yeah.
Rule number 2.
Rule number 3 na tayo.
3 na, idinagdag mo yung
Rule number 3.
net
yeah.
worth. Okay.
I don't say yes on the first date.
You don't.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pang ilan? Meron kang bilang?
And follow up to that, ayoko nung last minute dates. Yung parang hindi ka pinaghandaan, kailangan paghandaan ka.
Right.
Hindi yung last minute parang booty call na last minute pag Friday night. If you wanna date me on a Friday night, at least call me mga Monday pa lang.
Okay. Kung hindi ka nag-yes sa first date, do you kiss on a first date?
No, I don't kiss on
You
a first date. Alam mo, kahit ako sexy star, Kuya Boy, masyado akong kuriko ko.
Pero alam mo, no, but can I say this? I believe you. I really believe you.
Yeah.
I have so much respect for you.
Kasi nakikita na nga sa screen eh. Remember, I'm the first Filipina na nag-frontal nudity. Tapos sa real life, ipapangalandakan mo pa yung sarili mo. So, hindi pwedeng ganon. Yeah.
Ano ang mga iba't ibang klaseng lalaki na nakasalubong mo sa iyong buhay?
Merong mga lalaki na they want to level up with you. Pero makikita mo hindi naman authentic.
May gwapo pero hindi. Yung mga ganon.
Merong gwapo, super gwapo na hunk. Pero there's nothing in the head naman.
Okay.
Meron naman mga intellectual. Ako, to me, the brain is such a sexy thing for me. So, excited ako to meet men na matalino. Yeah. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, you learn so much from them.
Oo.
Yeah.
To you, that's the thing, di ba?
Yeah. Meron din naman mga lalaki na gigolo na talagang they're after you for the money. Pero sabi ko nga sa'yo, I work hard for the money, kaya it's very
Totoo.
hard for me na magbitaw just like that.